Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video shares my personal experience with using RedPocket Mobile. RedPocket Mobile, found at www.redpocket.com, offers an intriguing approach to cell phone service. Instead of locking you into a long-term contract, they provide a variety of flexible prepaid plans, allowing you to choose the option that best suits your needs and budget. Their website is fairly straightforward, outlining the various plans available and the associated costs. You can select from a range of talk, text, and data allowances, and even choose which major network you'd prefer to use, a significant advantage for those who have a preference for specific coverage areas. This choice between different network carriers is a key selling point, allowing users to optimize their service based on where they live and travel. They also offer family plans, making them a potentially viable option for households looking for a cost-effective solution. While researching their offerings, I noticed they frequently have promotions running, so it's worth checking their website for current deals. This can make their already competitive prices even more attractive. Beyond the standard monthly plans, RedPocket Mobile also offers annual plans which often come with significant cost savings. This longer-term commitment can be particularly appealing for users who value predictability in their monthly expenses. It's clear that RedPocket Mobile aims to cater to a diverse user base, providing options for various usage patterns and budgetary constraints. They even offer the flexibility to bring your own device, which is a big plus for anyone not wanting to purchase a new phone. In an increasingly competitive mobile market, RedPocket's flexibility and variety of plan options makes them a provider worth considering. Be sure to explore their website further at www.redpocket.com to see their full range of plans and features.